Hi guys, so today I am going to take you through cleaning my fridge. So I have not deep cleaned my fridge since we moved in, which is about 6 months ago now. Now that doesn't mean I don't clean it. If there's a spill or something, I always clean it up. But I need to like look at expiration dates. I just want to take everything out and start over. The feng shui is not working in here, so I need to move some stuff around. So let me show you what we're starting with. All right, so here is my fridge right now. As you can see, it looks pretty full, but I really feel like is a lot of wasted space. We have a lot of leftovers. I think some are still okay. I know some are okay, some are not, so I need to go through that. We're actually having leftovers tonight because tomorrow is grocery day, so I figured clean this out today. You know, do you ever have it, your kids just start to get loud? Like if you get on the phone, you start recording or something? That's my life. So we're going to go through this. This is what we're starting with. I know this is going to take me some time, but I know it'll be good once it's done. Like, it doesn't look, like, it's not dirty, but it's just, you know, it still needs some loving, All right, so the fridge is all taken apart now. Everything's out. It's not so bad, actually, which is great. There's some stuff down there. These are a little dirty, but really not bad. So... this is how my kitchen looks right now. I took the drawers out so I can empty them. This is everything. So, I have this little plastic container that it's for the fridge. I haven't used it yet. We had bought some new ones, and this was one that I just hadn't used yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to need it, but I took it out just in case. Right now, it's great for the cheese and stuff. So, all right. So first, I'm going to wipe everything down, wipe the whole fridge, wipe the drawers, get those back in, and then I'll start organizing. All right, so here's the progress I've made. Everything's cleaned. I put the drawers back, and I'm starting to feng shui. So this stuff is always on the door, except for my almond milk, which I was able to fit in there, which is great. And then I moved some stuff around. These guys were actually on the bottom. Watch out, Mia. And it sort of was down there always. But this stuff was always up, like, down here. So I'm trying to put it up here because I'm thinking I could put the leftovers down here. That was there. I cleaned that out, and then I'm kind of just... starting to put everything away. I'm probably going to start with this pile first because, you know, the condiments are going to go in the door, the fruit and veggies are going to go where they belong, and that kind of stuff. So that's where we're at now. Okay, so this was my expired or bad pile. This pepper is so soggy. That's why I put the bag underneath it. This bag was on something else that it didn't need a bag. This was all expired, which I was so glad that I did it today because I have my grocery orders still open. I mean, I have it set for tomorrow, but I can edit it until tonight. So I went in and I like checked up on my cabinet to see if I had any leftover, you know, any spares to replace. And then I was able to add the extras on, which was awesome. Don't mind the mac and cheese. Mia saw this and wants that for lunch. I remembered I had this in the fridge, so I'm actually going to have this for lunch today. And then I have hard-boiled eggs, which I never ate hard-boiled, so I'm actually going to make, excuse me, egg salad out of it. So I'm leaving that out. I'm going to take care of that. We had a couple that were like, there were apples in one, and then there were sweet potatoes in another, which I was able to put in to the sweet potato down there. So here's what the fridge looks like now. So I did move things around. I don't know if I'm actually going to keep it this way. We'll see. I kind of like how it is right now. Hold on, Jeffrey. All right, hold on. I put the butter up here. My tub of butter doesn't fit, though. I got the wrong size. So I just put my yeast in there, all of our condiments. You know, it's pretty much, I feel like that's everybody's drawer. You know, door looks like that. All our veggies and fruit are in there. And then we have our meats down here. We got bacon and that kind of stuff. And then I did put Ed sodas down there because they just fit that way. Oops, bump into the dishwasher. And I put all the leftovers here. We're having leftovers tonight, so we'll probably eat through most of that. We got eggs, the cheese, which I was so glad because I actually had string cheese on my list, and we don't need it. Hold on, honey. Hold on. All right, kids are fighting, but we're back now. So I put, as you saw, I showed you, I put the cans of soda up here, which there's soda in here. I feel like that fits better. We'll see how it works. And this one. Okay, hold on, Mia. And then I've got my yogurts here. That's got a like queso dip and then the butter. And I'm actually glad I looked because this one I need to eat today. And then these two I need to have the next couple of days because they're going to expire. So that's going to be my snacks. And then this one, hold on, Mia. I put like random stuff like that. In the back is duck fat. It actually is for homemade popcorn. We got garlic, some heavy cream. I have one of these little snack cups left. And then the top you know, I've got the bottles of beer, which are great, and then we have our hummingbird food back there, and then I put the yogurts here, which I did not realize we were so low on yogurt for the kids, because I mean I have 3 kids, so that could be gone today. So I put that on my order, and then there's a couple of diet lemon lime soda that Robert likes to have once in a while, and then yogurt that they have with a spoon. And then I have some mashed potatoes, which I had gotten those from Sam's, which we will be using up within the next few days. I know I have it on some meal, and then my hummus and the burgers, and then I feel like I have room, which is good. So I feel like it's really cleaned out now, so I feel good, especially on those couple of things that we needed. Some were expired, we had too much of some things, so I'm glad I was able to fix my grocery order for that way. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this fridge clean out. I feel really good. I don't feel so bad about the stuff that's expired, because some of it is actually pretty low, which was not bad. And like Worcestershire sauce, I only have like 2 recipes I use this for. But like the dressings and stuff actually they were pretty low to start off with. The only one that was really kind of high was my blue cheese dressing, which I'm shocked because we do use this a lot. So I wonder if I just got like the one that had a bad expiration date to start off with, or like a close one. So it wasn't bad, and only one thing of produce was bad, so that's not bad. I felt really good about that. So now I'm gonna get this stuff in the trash. I'm gonna make the kids lunch, and the next video will actually be my grocery haul. Oh yeah, I was able to take that out of the fridge, and I did not use the big one. I was wondering if I would, so I was able to take that one out, which is great, because then if I need it again, I can use it, so that's awesome. But yeah, so I'm gonna get lunch going. Tomorrow, or the next video, will be our grocery haul. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.